Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make an animated number counter for Wix. This is a fantastic way to add dynamic, eye-catching visual elements to your website that can showcase stats, milestones, or any numerical data in a more engaging way. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. Here, you'll see an option labeled Site and Mobile App. Click on it, and a drop-down selection will appear. From this menu, click on Website. This will take you to the specific site management area where you can work on your web pages. From here, you can preview the website settings you currently have. Take a moment to make sure that this is the website you wish to create an animated number counter for. It's always good practice to double-check you're working on the correct site, especially if you manage multiple websites under one account. On this page, locate the Design Site button, which you'll typically find on the top part of your screen, usually beside a pen icon. Click on it to proceed. This button is your gateway to the full website editor, where you'll be able to make all the visual changes and additions to your site. You will now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. Now, here's where things get a bit creative. What we'll be needing is to open a sample PowerPoint file. You'll simply need multiple slides with random numbers, for example, ranging randomly from 1 to 100. Once you've created these slides, you'll need to save them as JPEG files. To do this, click on File located on the top left of your screen and select Save As. Now browse to where you wish to save this file. Under the Save As window, make sure to click on the Save As type drop-down and choose JPEG File Interchange Format. Then hit Save. A small window will appear, and from here choose All Slides. This option is crucial as it will save each slide as an independent file, which we'll be using to create a countdown animation effect. Once saved, head back to your Wix website editor. Open a new tab in your browser and type in ezgif.com. Under the EasyGif website, click on GIF Maker. This is where we'll upload the slides we created on PowerPoint with random numbers. Select all the files PowerPoint generated and click on Open. Once everything is added, click on Upload Files. Once the upload has finished, click on Make a GIF and wait for it to process. This might take a few moments depending on how many slides you uploaded, so just be patient. Once done, you'll see a preview of your number counter. Take a look and make sure it appears exactly how you want it. Once satisfied, click on Save to download your newly created GIF file. Then head back to your Wix website editor. Click on Add Element, look for the image element, and locate the Upload button. Now, look for the GIF we've created and upload it to your site. And that's it, you've successfully added an animated counter to your Wix website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.